Hello, my name is Ilmi Abdul Hakim bin Saruddin with the matrix number of AE 2037, and here I will be explaining to you our data sheet. So here we have the list of our resistor value. For each resistor we give it one alphabet. This is so we can make our sample. So as you can see in sample 1 we have our alphabet using my name, Ilmi Abdul Hakim, resistor value of each of them, and the sum of it is down below. And here we have sample 2. Alphabet is Eli Ardila with the following resistor value and the sum. And we have the last but not least our member 3 sample 3, which is Emilia Eleka, resistor value of the following with the sum of 750.8. For the first graph we have the sample 1. We can find the mean, which is 68.3, the minimum, which is 68, the median 68.3, maximum, which is 68.7, the average deviation, which is 0.14, rounded off to 2 decimal points, standard deviation 0.19, and for that we have our table, which is the cluster interval for each of the resistor value from 68.0 all the way to 68.7. We have our frequencies on the right, each of the frequencies, and from that table we can have our graph. As you can see, this is our distribution for sample 1. Same goes for sample 2. We have our mean, our minimum, median, maximum, average deviation, standard deviation. We have our table for each of the resistors and our frequency for every resistor there is in the sample, and this is our distribution table. And this is for sample 3. We have the mean, the minimum, median, max, average deviation, and standard deviation. We have the class interval, the table, the frequency, and our graph.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Eli Ardila bin Saruddin, matrix number AE190074. So I will explain activity 2. First, differentiate between D and S. So standard deviation, which is S, is often used to measure the volatility of returns from investment funds or strategies because it can help measure volatility. Highest volatility is generally associated with highest risk of losses. So investment want to see highest returns from funds that generate highest volatility, while average deviation, which is D, is considered as the closest alternative to standard deviation and also used to gauge volatility in markets and financial instruments, but it is used less frequently than standard deviation. Number 2, discuss the result obtained for each D and S. So for standard deviation, which is S, more precisely, it is a measure of the average distance between the values of the data in the set and the mean. A low standard deviation indicates that the data points tend to be very closest to the mean. A high standard deviation indicates that the data points are spread out over a large range of values. So, and then for average deviation, which is D, the average deviation, AD, is used as a measure of dispersion or within group iterator agreement and may be referred to as the average absolute deviation or mean deviation. And then number 3, give overview of the selection of the best sample, the second best sample, and the worst sample. So the answer is, as a result of the experiment, the best rating is sample number 1, and the second best rating is the sample number 2, and lastly, the worst sample is sample number 3. And question number 4 is, conclude the observation and findings from the statistical analysis of this experiment. So for this experiment, we can conclude that the highest resistor value will increase accuracy of the sample. And then to get the highest resistor, we need to use more alphabet. Thus, the best rating is sample number 1, and the second best rating is the sample number 2, and the last one is worst sample is sample number 3.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Emilia Eleka bin Saruddin and my number is AE190076. So now I want to discuss about this experiment. Okay, student must understand that statistic sampling is the process of randomly selecting a group of observation from population distribution. We often don't know the nature of the population distribution. Thus, typically, formula can be used to obtain estimate of one or more statistics. We can sample from a sample distribution to generate descriptive value like as the median, standard derivation, confidence interval, and so on. If we are prepared to assume that a sample distribution reflect the population distribution, we can reduce the sample error and improve the accuracy of the estimate by repeating the sampling operation a high number of times. As a result, this experiment, the best rating is sample number 1, and the second best rating is sample number 2, and lastly, the worst is sample number 3. And lastly, for the conclusion, that to conduct statistic analysis on a variety of samples of varying size, we will make a plot out of the data and analyze the result. This experiment makes it easy to achieve this objective of this experiment.